December 19th. Mark your calendars. Because on that day, we might finally get the truth about one of the most baffling objects ever to enter our solar system, 3I-ATLAS. This isn't just another space rock. Atlas has been breaking the laws of physics, and scientists are scrambling for answers. Let's start with the impossible. On October 29th, Atlas did something that, according to everything we know, shouldn't happen. It turned blue. Not just any blue, but bluer than our own sun. For an object that should be 20 times colder than the solar surface, emitting that much blue light completely defies thermodynamics. It's like a block of ice suddenly glowing hotter than a furnace. How is that possible? But that's just the beginning of the story. Around the same time, NASA's own David Farnocchia detected something truly bizarre. Atlas was accelerating. It wasn't just being pulled by gravity. It was being pushed by an unseen force. We're talking about a radial thrust of 135 kilometers per day squared, plus a transverse push of 60 kilometers per day squared. Now, the standard explanation for comets is outgassing ice, vaporizing, and acting like a rocket engine. But to generate that kind of force, Atlas would have had to shed 10% of its entire mass. That's billions of tons of material. An event that colossal should have created a spectacular as a visible cloud, a coma that would stretch across the sky. But when we looked, there was nothing. No massive dust cloud, no giant tail, just the object silently and powerfully accelerating on its own. So we have an object that's impossibly blue and accelerating without a visible cause. You'd think every telescope on Earth would be pointed at it, right? Well, here's where it gets even more frustrating. The one instrument that could give us a clear answer, the higher resolution, higher SE cameras, tangled up in red tape because of a US government shutdown, the images that could solve this mystery are locked away in bureaucratic limbo. As the renowned astrophysicist Avi Loeb bluntly put it, we're being held back by terrestrial stupidity. This bureaucratic delay is maddening because Atlas isn't just a little weird. It's a collection of anomalies that screams for a closer look. Let's quickly run through the 9 documented oddities that have scientists scratching their heads. First, its trajectory. The path it took to get here has a natural probability of just 0.2%. It's like hitting a cosmic bullseye from light years away. Second, its extreme velocity. It's traveling at 61 kilometers per second, nearly double the speed of other interstellar visitors like Oumuamua. Third, its chemistry is industrial grade. It shows signs of nickel, but without the iron that almost always accompanies it in nature. Where did that pure nickel come from? Fourth, its emissions. A staggering 87% of what it's giving off is carbon monoxide. That's an unheard of concentration for a natural comet. Fifth, that impossible color sequence I mentioned. It went from red to green, and then to that baffling physics, defying blue. Sixth, its brightness. It completely shattered all our predictive models, flaring up in ways no one saw coming. Seventh, it has an anti-tail. Instead of a tail pointing away from the sun, it has a feature pointing asterisk towards asterisk it. Eighth, it started showing activity way out beyond Jupiter's orbit, a region where it should have been a frozen, inert rock. And finally, number 9, its nucleus is massive. This isn't some small pebble. It's a substantial object. When you put it all together, the impossible color, the unexplained acceleration, the 9 major anomalies, and the frustrating data blockade, you have to ask, what are we really looking at? Is 3I-ATLAS a natural phenomenon that will rewrite our physics books? Or is it something else entirely? The scientific community is buzzing, and the debate is intense. December 19th is the day a key paper is set to be released, one that could provide some answers. We'll be watching closely and we'll bring you the updates as soon as they drop. This story is far from over. What do you think is going on with Atlas? Drop your theories in the comments below. And if you find these cosmic mysteries as fascinating as I do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our follow-up. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.